Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am blessed to have dolly friends to do a collab with for our Sasha dolls once again. This is a Sasha baby collab, and I'm doing this with Tracy from Eclectic Wondering, J Dolls UK, Dory, Dory's Dollies, Lorraine, Where Dolls Dwell, Penny, Playful Doll Adventures, and Karen from Starts and Stitches. And the idea is we are making pastel colored outfits for our Sasha babies. I'm a show off. I wanted to show my whole collection, so I paired them up. You know how people used to dress their kids alike, and you know, older sisters would have little matching dresses with their little sisters. And I bet you're looking at these saying, I thought it was pastels. It is. This is pastel. Actually, I really like this print, and I decided to trim it this time, and the red just seemed to work because of the little bib. I do wish I had taken one of the little blonde girl, didn't think about it till later, and made her a gingham dress to match this one, but I didn't. I dressed the other two as twins. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm not quite finished with the outfit, but I need a Sasha baby to try on an outfit. So let's see what's in this box. I hope it's the right box. I've got some boxes sitting in there, and more than once I've opened the wrong box. So if this is it, we'll cut it, and you'll have to come back and see who was in there, and I'll go get another box. I need to be careful. I'm really getting bad about my scissors in that.
Real knife would be safer.
I know. Let's see who we have in here. Yeah, it appears to be the correct doll. Here's my sheet. I often use this packing paper to make and tweak doll patterns with. Just a little hint there. All right, let's get this open and see who we have inside. Are you guessing what color hair this doll might have? Let's see.
If you don't give it away in the thumbnail.
I don't think, well, let's try not to give it away in the thumbnail. All right, let's get this baby out. Actually, you could skip over this if you wanted. Or not. Oh, I saved that. Oh, it's really tearing. All right, I've been shopping on eBay. Okay, I'm always shopping on eBay. Oh, look at this. Let's move this box. Look what they included. How cute and thoughtful is that? That didn't take just a minute to make. Wow, that is really cute. That took a while to make. That was so thoughtful. I will leave that in my, a big thank you in my, I'm saving that tissue paper. How cute is my little sandy-haired color, or what do you call it? Strawberry blonde haired baby. Oh gosh, she's so cute. Cute. And unless it has a little boy part, it's going to be a girl. No, it has no parts at all. How cute. All right, let's get them dressed, and I'll be right back. I had one package of 1/4 inch bias tape that I wanted to use for trim. And I used it for trim on the top of her dress, all the way around his vest and armholes, around the armholes here. And look, when I got to the last strip at the bottom, that's what I had left. I was short less than a 1/2 inch. So what I did is I kind of put that in the middle. And what I'm going to do is when I fold over my seam, I'm going to include that in there. So 4 yards of 1/4 inch bias tape. It always takes more than you think. I went down and I dug around in some tubs and I found this. Pastel bicycles. I love this. Love this. However, this is all I have. That's not even a fat quarter. And I want to make an outfit for her and a baby. So let's see what happens. Here are the little outfits I made. I like her little belly showing, little midriff. And he has he has little diapers on. They're real cute. They're trimmed in green, little bicycle print. This is what I have left. Pretty proud of that. I could make a little bag for a Blythe or a 18-inch doll. I think I will. And I don't waste any fabric, let me tell you. So here are all of my little Sashas. Love these dolls. My little Sasha babies in their pastel color outfits. Look, they all have diapers to match. This one has bicycles on its butt. How cute are these dolls? I just love them. I want to show you the little duck butts. You know what a DA is? Used to be a hairstyle in the 50s for guys. They were called DAs. Look it up. This one has a duck butt. My little Gregor didn't mind wearing the baby print fabric because he'd like to have a Jeep when he gets older. So the little rubber ducks he was all into. Thank you so much to all the ladies involved in this video. I have really enjoyed getting to know you better, to see your lovely, lovely Sasha collections and laugh as we are growing our Sasha collections. I do want to mention one thing about a few of these ladies. And if you have one and I don't mention it, scold me so that I get it in the next. Not only are these ladies involved in this collab, Tracy also has Show and Tell Wednesday, that's Eclectic Wonderings. On Wednesdays, she has Show and Tell. J Dolls UK has the Reborn Tag New Clothes Day, where you show your reborns in new clothes. Dory at Dory's Dollies has Flashback Fridays. Penny at Playful Doll Adventures has Wild Wednesday, and that too is a reborn tag, but any doll, I'm sure Penny would love to have other dolls involved. Jay and Penny also do an elf doll collab, which is a challenge they put out once a month on the 21st of each month for elf dolls. So these ladies are very involved in dolls. There's so much more to say. I again want to thank each channel for participating in this fun collab, and they are Tracy Eclectic Wondering, J Dolls UK, Dory's Dollies, Where the Dolls Dwell, that's Lorraine, Penny at Playful Doll Adventures, and Karen at Starch and Stitches. What the heck? I think I put the wrong shirt on the wrong doll. I was looking at the picture after we filmed and everything, and look, I think this shirt goes on this doll. Oh my. Oh, and I set them separate, or I thought I did, so that I wouldn't get them confused. Oh yeah, look, that's
It's not a belly shirt anymore.
Oh, the fun we have at our house. That is cute too, and it's got the little bike right there. I love these little dolls. They're so cute. Here you go, sweetie. Oh, now see, that's way cuter. That is way cuter. She's got a little vice. She's looking up, almost smiling now. And here's your little bear. I know, you have a toy and they don't. That's a problem. Now, doesn't that look better?
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you for watching our video. Please go by and see each of these ladies. I will have their links in the descriptions because we're so blessed to have so many. They don't fit in the title. Please go by and see every video. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to each one. And don't forget, Darren and I are now live on Thursday nights at 6 p.m. Central, and we would love it if you joined us. live on YouTube.